Windows play a critical role in keeping your home comfortable, especially in a coastal climate like Miami Beach. With constant sun exposure, high humidity, and warm temperatures year-round, outdated or inefficient windows can quickly impact both comfort and energy costs. Knowing the signs that it's time for energy-efficient window replacement can help you make a smart, timely upgrade. One of the most noticeable signs is rising energy bills. If your cooling costs seem higher than usual, your windows may be allowing cool air to escape and heat to enter. In Miami Beach, where air conditioning is essential, inefficient windows can force your system to work harder than necessary. Upgrading to energy-efficient windows helps maintain indoor temperatures and can lead to significant savings over time. Another clear indicator is feeling heat near your windows. If certain areas of your home feel warmer than others, especially near window openings, it's often a sign that your windows are not properly insulating your space. Energy-efficient windows with advanced glass coatings help block heat while still allowing natural light in, creating a more balanced and comfortable environment. Drafts aren't just a problem in colder climates. In Miami Beach, you may notice warm air or humidity entering through gaps around your windows. This can make your home feel sticky or uncomfortable, even when the air conditioning is running. Modern windows are designed with tighter seals that prevent air leaks and help control indoor humidity levels. Condensation is another warning sign. While some moisture on windows can be normal in humid environments, excessive condensation, especially between glass panes, indicates seal failure. When this happens, your windows lose their insulating properties, reducing their efficiency and making your home harder to cool. Difficulty operating your windows is also a sign that replacement may be needed. Windows that stick, jam, or won't stay open can indicate frame damage or wear from long-term exposure to heat and moisture. Properly functioning windows are essential for both ventilation and overall performance. Noise levels can also provide a clue. If you're hearing more outside noise than usual, whether it's traffic, neighbors, or ocean activity, your windows may not be providing adequate insulation. Energy-efficient windows with multi-pane glass can help reduce noise while improving comfort inside your home. Visible damage is another important factor. Cracked glass, warped frames, or corrosion can all affect how well your windows perform. In Miami Beach, salt air and humidity can accelerate wear and tear, making it important to address these issues before they worsen. Fading furniture or flooring is a less obvious but important sign. Excessive sunlight entering through outdated windows can cause UV damage to your interior. Energy-efficient windows often include UV-resistant coatings that help protect your furnishings while still allowing natural light to brighten your space. Uneven indoor temperatures are another indicator. If some rooms feel significantly warmer or cooler than others, your windows may be contributing to the imbalance. Energy-efficient replacements help create a more consistent indoor climate, making your entire home more comfortable. Frequent maintenance is also a sign that your windows may be past their prime. If you're constantly repairing frames, resealing edges, or dealing with moisture issues, it may be more cost-effective to invest in new windows. Modern materials are designed to resist moisture, corrosion, and wear, reducing the need for ongoing upkeep. Finally, outdated windows simply lack the performance features of today's designs. Older windows were not built with the same level of insulation or technology that modern energy-efficient options provide. Upgrading allows you to take advantage of improved materials, better sealing, and advanced glass features. For homeowners in Miami Beach, recognizing these signs early can help you avoid discomfort and rising energy costs. Energy-efficient window replacement is more than just an upgrade, it's an investment in your home's comfort, efficiency, and long-term value. If you've noticed any of these issues, it may be time to consider replacing your windows. With the right products and professional installation, you can enjoy a cooler, more comfortable home that's better suited to Miami Beach's coastal climate.